Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. In this video, I'll show you how to make a playlist private. So what you need to do is go to your YouTube studio. When you get to your list of playlists, you can decide which playlist you wish to go private. In this situation, you can see this playlist is public and it was created May 11, 2022. However, it doesn't have any videos in it. So I want to make it private. What I'm going to do is click on the pencil icon, edit in YouTube. And as you can see, there are no videos, so I do want to make this private. And what I do is you see it's public here. Click on the arrow, and then you have the option to unlist the playlist, which means nobody can see the playlist without a link, or you can make it private, which means only you can see this playlist. And of course, later you can unlist it or make it public once again. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below.